Asking my chef friend to turn my McDonald's gourmet.
We got Mickey D's French fries, double quarter pounder with cheese. We're gonna make a beef pithivier with pomme puree and sauce charcuterie. I'm gonna save these onions and these pickles. I'm going to sear the burgers in some olive oil. While my pan is heating, I'm gonna get after these French fry pomme puree. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk and cream. I'm gonna add some garlic, and I'm gonna add some bay leaf. I'm gonna take these burgers, I'm gonna say goodbye to the bun. Bye, bun. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna sear it. Just really want to condense that flavor. Wonderful. Now, here go the fries. This is for our pomme puree, which is a fancy way of saying mashed potatoes. I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt, and we're gonna go ahead and try to build our beef pithivier or beef Wellington. Okay, first things first. I'm gonna take the spinach here, and that's just gonna help loosen. I'm gonna put this in between the two burgers. Now we're gonna mix these two together. Okay, let's build a Wellington. We've got our burgers. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of center it right there. Now I'm gonna invert the cheese. We're gonna take this and we're gonna wrap it in something decadent. Absolutely lovely. Lay down a couple sheets. We're gonna put our beef on there. We are going to wrap it in puff pastry. We're just gonna brush the inside. We're gonna have a separate sheet that goes on top. We're gonna take this, we're gonna mark it, cut it just a little bit, get into the, toward the end. And she's gonna go right in the oven. We're gonna reduce that, some beef stock. We're gonna give this just a little bit of a reduction. We're gonna wait for this to boil. So we're gonna take our pickles and we're gonna take the time. This is gonna be a really nice presentation piece. Pickles and onions go in. Everything's cooked down. I'm gonna pour this in here. It's nice and easy. Thin it on low. Now I'm just gonna push it through a sieve and back into a pan. We're gonna let that cook out a little bit. These are looking good. Take our butter, everything, it's just it. And voila. So that's ready to rock. These mashed potatoes are looking good, these pomme puree. And now let's check out our pithivier. Okay, we're gonna let that rest for just a second. Oh, do you hear that? Oh my.
Oh man.
So you've got the puff pastry, the prosciutto, the two patties. See a little bit of that cheese kind of hold everything together, and the spinach and artichokes in the middle. A little bit of chive, our pomme puree. It's lovely. And I'm going to finish this dish tableside for you, as in true fine dining fashion. Good evening, sir. We have our beef, spinach, and artichoke pithivier with pomme puree with a lovely sauce charcuterie.
Thank you, Chef.
My pleasure. Bon appetit.